everyone, Ian here from Smith's RV Center in Thunder Bay, where we're actually proud to be the largest RV and marine dealership in all of Northwestern Ontario. Today I'm going to be showing you the Grand Design Imagine 3250 BH. This trailer's got a ton of features, so let's get started. All right, starting on the side of the RV. First off, I want to show the magnetic slam latch insulated door. We've also got our pass-through storage. On the other side, we've got our convenience center for your water hookup and your battery disconnect, etc. This is available at 50 amp, so if you want to run a second air conditioner, it's already ready to go. We've got our lightweight steps leading into our bedroom door. Large grab handle, which is really super convenient because this unit actually has two of them. Moving forward, we've got our friction hinge with additional magnet, so the door won't slam in the wind. We've got our Moorride steps, extremely sturdy, and if you notice, it's also adjustable. We've also got fully laminated slide, and the slide is actually also walkable, so you can get up there, get rid of any acorns or snow or whatnot. Moving down this end, we've got this huge outdoor kitchen. So normally you've got your fridge and your stove. This, they've added a really convenient drawer for cutlery, storage up top, a light, and even a plug-in. Around the back, we've also got our convenient ladder to get up onto that roof so you can clean it. Let's go take a look at the inside. All right, welcome inside. And this is a bunk house of all bunk houses. Grand Design is really overdone at this time. It's fantastic. We've got bunks on the top and bottom on both sides. This bunk lifts with super ease. If you look at, we've got 3 storage drawers underneath on each, or 2 on this one side, 3 on this one side, and a whole bank of storage here as well. We've also got USB plugins, extra lights, and a place for a TV. This is a wicked bunk room. Now going into the kitchen, with the opposite slides, as you can see, we've got this gorgeous island. Again, tons of cupboard space on this side. You've got a total of 3 drawers, plus a lot of room for the garbage can. We've got our residential faucet. Ready for this? Gorgeous pantry with this barn door. Neat two-tone that they've come out with. Really classy, makes it look quite modern. And we've got a nice size refrigerator for those longer trips. Again, they have outdone themselves with storage. We've got 3 drawers going down. You've got your Furrion stovetop and oven, and even this nifty little contraption where you can put your pots and pans and actually anchor them down with these dowels. So a really cool feature. On the other side of the camper, we've got our dinette, which of course drops down into a bed. The Grand Design reversible cushions, which I love. Easy to wipe down. Massage, heat, and mood lit seating, which is of course directly across from our entertainment center. This model's got a DVD player in it, which is fantastic. We've got our fireplace, which is a 5,000 watt heater as well, electric heater. Nice size TV, again, more storage up top. Coming in right off the camper, got a place to sit down, take off, or put on your shoes. You've actually got a motion sensor control panel, which is really cool. It lights up when you walk past it. A little bit more storage on this side, place to hang your jackets. Just a really, really good floor plan. Let's go take a look at the bathroom and the bedroom. All right, welcome to the 3250 bathroom from Grand Design. First thing I want to point out is stainless steel sink and faucet. Really nice. Got your porcelain step foot toilet. And this shower is absolutely gorgeous with the sliding glass doors and the skylight. As well, in Grand Design fashion, you've got your medicine cabinet on one side and then additional storage on the other. So super nice design. Come, let's take a look at the bedroom. First thing I want to point out is, of course, the mood light and the reading lamp. So you can either have it in blue or you can have it in white, just with a press of a button. Super convenient. These cubbies are a new design as well. Great use of space, USBs in both and plugins in both. On each side, you've got identical drawers and hanging cupboards. So you can hang clothes here. You've got your 2 drawers there as well. And you've got, of course, under bed storage. And now it actually comes with a nice sliding tray. So great use of space. All right, so that was the tour of the Grand Design Imagine 3250 BH. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want your own private personal tour, go ahead and text us, call us, email us, or visit us at smithsrvcenter.com, where you can actually get a lot more information on this unit, other units that we carry, sale pricing. If you have a trade, we can actually appraise it. There's financing options, tons more information. So go ahead, book your personal tour, and we hope to see you down here soon. Thanks.